This building was built at a total cost of about $23 million. $23 million is a lot of money for a country boy from West Tennessee. I don't know about you, but it is for me. But your faithfulness and your faith allowed this building to be built, and it allowed it to be constructed, with only a small portion of that being an indebtedness. A small portion of that being $8.4 million at about May 1st of this year. And that's when our interim pastor, Dr. Bill Anderson, introduced a campaign called Leveling the Mountain. We were at about $8.4 million. And in July, we then celebrated a landmark. We celebrated that we had paid off a little bit more than $1 million toward this indebtedness. And the indebtedness came down to $7.3 million. And then you continued to give, and God continued to be faithful. And in October, we celebrated another landmark. In October, our indebtedness was $3.9 million. The debt had been cut in half. Over half of our indebtedness was gone. But I am happy to report to you this morning that our indebtedness has once again fallen. And God has been so very, very faithful to provide, and you have been so faithful to give, that as of December 31st, 2008, I would now like to show you the total indebtedness of our church. This is what our debt has been reduced to.